Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share a secret recipe that will make your garden flourish like never before. We'll show you how to create a powerful mixture that boosts soil health and helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. This special blend will improve your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stick around to see how you can easily make this amazing mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. Let's get started. In this episode, we are going to use biochar, compost, and compost tea to make most powerful liquid mixture. Biochar is made by roasting organic matter at high temperatures with little oxygen. This process preserves the structure of the material, creating porous fragments with tiny chambers. These chambers can hold water, nutrients, and beneficial microbes. Biochar also improves the soil's water-holding capacity and nutrient retention, making it more drought-resistant and fertile. We are going to first activate and make a liquid biochar mixture that will improve our soil quality by a lot. So let's get started. First, we need about 2 kilograms of compost, and then we need 1 kilogram of biochar. First, crush them into small pieces before use. We will mix these ingredients very well. Now, to make it more powerful, instead of adding normal water, we will add compost tea in it. If you don't have compost tea, use non-chlorinated water. Now mix them really well. And cover the 5-gallon bucket with breathable cloth for a minimum of 3 days. The longer, the better. When we let the mixture sit for several days, it allows the microbes to multiply and colonize the biochar, making it even more effective when added to the soil. This process, known as charging the biochar, ensures that it is ready to support plant growth immediately upon application. We let our mixture sit for 7 days. After 7 days, you can see how powerful the mixture seems. Now you can use the mixture to feed your plants, but it will be a great addition to your garden beds at the start of the growing season. First, we will water our bed because the mixture contains millions of microbes, and they will die if there is no water. After watering, we will just throw this excellent mixture on top of the soil. Now let me explain why this mixture will be good. By combining biochar with compost and compost tea, we create a supercharged amendment for our soil. The biochar's porous structure provides an ideal habitat for beneficial microbes, which are essential for healthy soil and plant growth. These microbes help break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to plants. The compost adds organic matter and nutrients to the mixture, while the compost tea introduces even more beneficial microorganisms and nutrients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials.